exercise 3 that we should evaluate the following: 7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 being multiplied by 5.94 times 10 raised to the power of 5, all divided by 2.35 times 10 raised to the power of 2. So we are going to simplify the numerator before dividing the results by the denominator. This is equal to 7 times 5.94 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 times 10 raised to the power of 5 divided by 2.35 times 10 raised to the power of 2. When you simplify the numerator by multiplying 7 times 5.94, you get 41.58 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 plus 5 will give us positive 2, all divided by 2.35 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Simplifying this further, you then have 4,158 times 10 raised to the power of 0, because I have moved the decimal point 2 times to my right, all divided by 235 times 10 raised to the power of 0, also because I have moved the decimal point twice to my right. And when you divide 4,158 by 235, it gives you 17.69 approximately times 10 raised to the power of 0. Now, expressing this in standard form as demanded by the question, this is equal to 1.769 times 10 raised to the power of 1.